There are men who made history for all the wrong reasons.
And I had these problems about ending up in prison.
After 2 decades behind bars, parole authorities have recommended that Eugene Koch and Clive Derby-Lewis be granted their freedom. The Medical Parole Board says Derby-Lewis has stage 3 lung cancer and is unlikely to survive the next 5 years. But there is a catch. Derby-Lewis has been receiving treatment at the Eugene Marais Hospital under a pseudonym because of concerns over his safety. Another cancer patient with that same name was also tested at the same time. Medical parole authorities say they want signed affidavits stating that the samples taken from Derby-Lewis did in fact come from him and not this other patient. Derby-Lewis's lawyer is willing to hand over the affidavits. While Derby-Lewis's lawyers say Correctional Services Minister Michael Masuta has little choice but to release him, the minister's office says he isn't just a rubber stamp in the process. Masuta last year rejected a parole recommendation for Vlakplaas commander Eugene de Kock, saying the families of his victims needed to be consulted. De Kock has, however, met several of those families.
My understanding is that Mr. Eugene de Kock is cooperating fully with the prosecuting authority as unit that deals with finding missing persons.
Should the minister refuse parole for de Kock or Derby-Lewis, he is almost certain to be taken to court. Karen Morn, Johannesburg.
To say that he's not a has-been, so he must have been, I believe, that I can interpret that to believe he was playing a significant role in the Umkhonto we Sizwe.